friends, this is Shalaka again. It's after a very long time. Daughter has been keeping me pretty busy. Her teething process has started. She started crawling. She started sitting. Not that balanced, but then somebody has to be always around her because she sometimes falls while sitting or while crawling. So all these things. Just wanted to give you an update. Coming to the point, I'm making this video to share a precautionary measure with all of you regarding what you can do when corona patients are increasing in our country. Um, just to give you a small overview, we stay in the South Maharashtra part. Here, there were not many patients first, so most of them were in Mumbai, Pune. But because people have started migrating to their natives, we have started getting patients here as well. And every day, because most of my family members work in hospital, so every day we hear a case that somebody's come in contact with a COVID patient. Contact as spoken or taken an X-ray, anything, like, because there are technicians in my house, like my family members. My mother is a nursing tutor. She doesn't come in contact with many people, but because her students work in the wards and there you find patients, that is why that is one thing. This is a research, or I have heard about this from different videos. I just wanted to share with you. Okay, so now this virus is it is inactive when it is on a surface, but in good condition, viable condition, where it can grow or become active is when it gets a host, that is our body. So once you get in, you are in contact anyhow. Now all of you must be knowing how you get. So sometimes you touch a surface that has this virus, like if a person has sneezed on that surface and the person is COVID positive, or if you have uh, I mean, there are n number of ways actually, and now because we are in a phase that is community spread, you don't know how a person may be positive. Like, you don't know if the person has got corona, if he's gone to this place or that place. You can't make out. So yes, one thing that you can do is, I know most of you must be doing this thing. If not, please start it. So this virus, once if you touch it, if you touch it and then you touch your mouth or your nose or your eyes, because your eyes also have some pores through which the virus can go. If you touch any of this part, and if you know it is not that you get infected very sudden. If it goes, it stays in your nose cavity. So here you have this cavity, it stays there for 4 days, it gets locked there. Later on it goes to your throat and then to your lungs. So what you can do is, uh, before it goes to your throat and then you start getting sore throat and all those things, uh, I'm not saying that you do it after you feel you're infected. Do it on a regular basis. Please take steam. Most of you must be having steamer. If not a steamer, take water in a steel vessel, boil it. When once it's boiling, take it away from the gas and cover your face and the vessel, and then you can take the steam. So now, while taking the steam, what you can do is, take the steam through your nose, leave it through your mouth, or vice versa. Take it through your mouth, leave it through your nose. Close one nostril, take the steam from the other, and then the same, close this nostril, take it from the other nostril, and take the steam inside, and you can keep it in your mouth for 20-25 seconds and then leave it outside. And if you are doing this for a small child or somebody who is sick in your family, please stay near to that person. They won't be able, sometimes they won't be able to take the steam properly. That is why you can assist such people. I'll tell you why steam is important now. You must be drinking hot water or the medicated kadha that the Ayush Ministry has told us, our family members have been telling us. But all this helps. I mean, something that you drink it and then your throat is what can I call it? Yes, so from your nose it goes through to the throat, and that is why it is something that will help you in your throat. And whatever we drink, uh, the temperature of those things is less than 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, and this virus um, stays active in that temperature. So if at 60 degree it paralyzes, at 60 degrees Celsius it paralyzes, but you can't drink that hot water, or else you will burn your tongue. That is why steam is something, because the water is boiling. So the temperature of that water is 100 degrees Celsius, and once that hot steam goes in your mouth or in your nostrils, the virus is 99.9% it is killed. So steam is the most efficient way. If you are working in hospital, or you have been going out to buy your essentials, I mean you are the person who's going out, please take care and take steam after every 2 to 3 hours. If you're a person staying in home, I would still recommend you to take steam twice a day, and please take it while sleeping and once you wake up in the morning. You can decide the time for yourself, but please take steam. And uh, I'm not sure when the vaccine would come. It is in the last step of testing and all. They have started, we are all waiting for the vaccine, but till that time I think this is the best way to stay away from corona. And I think uh, you know getting scared of it, because you can't sit in the house till the vaccine comes. You have to go out for getting essential things, all those things. So I think steam is the best way. Other things that we can do and we are doing is uh, washing your hand with sanitizer or with soap water, and covering your face with mask. And yes, very small things which we have to take care of it, for our own health, for the health of our family. So please take care, please stay safe. I hope you all are safe out there. Most of us are again under lockdown, so enjoy this time with your family. I know most of us are under a lot of pressure, because last 2 weeks I too was under the same pressure, because my mother and other family members had been coming in contact 5-10 minutes, but then with people who were positive. But thank God, it is just by God's grace that everybody is fine, everybody is okay. One more thing that I wanted to tell you is, uh, please take care, because it is already monsoon. So check all the symptoms, and don't you know mix the symptoms of normal flu with coronavirus. So that is one thing, because people have started going for swabs, even if they have a viral fever and all. I know you would get scared because of it, but still, so take care of yourself, and recommend this solution to other people as well. Please tell everybody to take steam. And yes, for now, bye bye. About my daughter, I mean, the videos that I was making about motherhood, I don't know what I have to tell more, because now she's already. Yes, so making videos about my daughter, my motherhood, I actually am not finding any appropriate content for it, or any subject. So if you people have any suggestions, please let me know. Now I am I can't say a perfect mother, but then I've started learning small things. So I would be very happy if I would be of any help to the new mothers. So please comment below. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. And yes, for now, once again, take care. Praying for you. And you pray for my family as well. and stay home. Most of us are in lockdown again, but please enjoy this time. And yes, bye bye.